Chuch. Chit Chat with Chuchi. Yay! Here the podcast where we explore the world of English learning. I'm Suzy. I'm a student from English Literature, the sixth semester of Faculty Language and Literature, Science Al Quran University. I'm the host and I'm so excited to be joined today by my guest star, Vera and Hasna.
Hello.
Because we haven't known each other, so I'll please you to introduce yourself first. Start from Mbak Vera.
Okay, thank you very much for Mbak Susi.
Yeah.
And then, hello guys.
Hi.
It's really nice to be here to sit and talk with you guys. And let me introduce myself. I am Vera Shiva Barmana. You guys can call me Vera, Fair, or Teti.
Teti,
And
so
then,
cute.
Yeah, because I'm Sudanese, Tete.
Oh.
Yeah, so from Tete it can be Teti. Yeah. And then I'm an English literature student of Science Al Quran University, and I'm in a sixth semester now. So yeah, that's about me.
Oh, so amazing. Okay, we know that her name is Mbak Vera, and we can call her as V or Teti. Teti from Sundanese,
Yeah.
from Teteh ya. Okay. The next, Mbak Hasna, please.
Hello guys,
Hi.
I'm Hasna Azlia. I am student of UNSIG 2, same as Mbak Vera.
Oh,
I
I
am
see.
an English literature in 6th semester.
So we can call you Hasna. Or I ever heard that you can call Nina.
Yes,
Is that true?
that's from my father.
Oh, hello Mbak Nina. So cute, Teti and Nina.
Yes.
Okay. Before we continue, do you know what is our theme today?
Our team today is
English learning. Yay! We will talk about English learning from the process or something else.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Okay. I have some questions, and I start from the first question. When did you start speaking English? I want to know from Mbak Vera first.
Me? Okay. When did I start learning English? I started learning English since I was elementary school, but I was not really focusing in my English learning at the time because I was just okay. I followed the rules of school, so I learned English just like the basic thing, the basic vocabulary, something like that. But I tried to focus in learning English since I was in senior high school.
Yeah.
Exactly, because I was living in a boarding school, so I was learning about speaking, listening, learning from movie, from music, and etc.
Oh yeah. Is it from the boarding school or some tutors to come in your boarding school?
It's from my boarding school because my boarding school is also there are the rules that we need and as an obligation to speak for every day, and there are some punishment when we don't talk. Yeah, that's
The pure program, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's right. And then, Mbak Hasna, when did you start speaking English?
Okay guys, I start speaking English when I was junior high school. And actually, I will speak with my friend in English when there was an English day or the day that we should speak in English at school. Just like
It's like a program too, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh yeah, from school. Okay, we know that there was amazing experience from them. Okay.
And Mbak Susi,
Yeah.
what motivates you to learn English?
Motivation, right? Oh yeah. The first, I think English is the first language in the world, right? And it means so important for us, for exactly because we are student and we need to um, communicate with others. For example, when we go abroad, or maybe we need to work, because English is common, and I think many people able about speaking English. That's why I think. And the next question for Teddy. Okay. What do you usually do to improve your English skill?
Okay, what do I usually do? Okay, sometimes come from my hobby. It's listening music. Just listening music.
Amazing.
Maybe you guys listen to the music
Yes.
too, right?
Yeah.
So I like to listen to the music, especially English music. So because it's sometimes not just for learning, but sometimes just for enjoying. Because like sometimes there are so many lyrics of the music that we don't really mean the lyric, but we just
Yeah.
enjoy the music, right?
Yeah, that's right.
That's where I start to learn English, because sometimes when I sing in English, I feel like okay, it's really enjoying myself, and I feel really enjoyable. And then once more is watching movie, because when I watch movie, I can directly learn how they usually speak. Sometimes we learn vocabulary or a sentence or a question in the school. It's really formal, right?
Yes,
But when
right.
we are watching in a movie, we can know it's exactly where they use it in their country, right? So
Yeah.
that's two ways I usually do for improving my English. So what about you, Mbak Susi? What is your tips or you usually do when you are trying to improve your English?
I think the answer is same as you,
Mm-hmm.
because we know that we like to listening to music, and the first we can enjoy the music first, but when sometimes we must know about the lyrics, because we can enjoy but we don't know the lyric is so flat, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we must sing for our favorite song, for example. Yeah, the first from music, and then maybe I'm apa namanya, absurd tuh apa sih?
You are so absurd, or
Yeah.
you
Sometimes
do
strange.
so random or what?
Yeah, what do you think if I talk to myself at the
Oh.
mirror,
Yeah.
and because there is no someone, and I will be free to talk myself about
Right.
everything? Is that strange?
No.
It's no, actually, because I do that too.
Yeah.
Sometimes everyone think that, oh my god, you are orgil, you are crazy, right? Sometimes
Yeah.
everyone saying that, but oh no, I am learning English. Then, do you speak English? Yeah. If you speak English, so I can just directly say to you, but you
Yeah.
don't talk to. So just talk to the mirror, so that's easier to
Yeah,
me, right?
that's
Okay,
right.
So,
Okay.
yeah, that's,
Oh.
don't think that's crazy. That's a way to
Normal.
improve English. It's
It's normal,
yeah.
guys. Okay. And for what, I'm not alone here, because my friends, I think,
Yeah.
you too.
I think
Okay,
so.
thank you very much. And I think that's my answer. And then, the next question is special from Basna. Do you think English is useful for your future career?
Alright, of course, English is important to my career, to my future, because English is international language, right?
Yes,
Uh,
that's
and
right.
when we have speaking and writing in English, it will help us to upgrade our career and
Oh, yeah.
expand international networks.
I do agree, because when we meet people, sometimes we we cannot really say the same language, right? But
Yeah.
when we can speak in English, like it's an international language, so
Yeah.
we can connect to
Yeah.
each people from every country.
I think people must study English, right?
Yeah.
For example,
It's
for
important.
speaking the first point. Okay, thank you for the answer, Mbak Hasna. The last question, and it's for both of them. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Who will answer first? Maybe Teddy.
Up to you. You can
Up
ask
to
me
you.
first, or you can ask Hasna.
I think Teddy first. Okay.
I'm
Do you
sorry, guys, I'm
have
coughing now.
a plan to continue your study abroad?
Okay, so I
Yeah.
there's answer okay. I do have, but I'm currently majoring English literature, and then I have a plan to study abroad. But about the time, maybe I will work first before I study abroad, and then when I got enough money to be my so that I can use my money for study over there. Maybe I will study abroad and the country. Maybe I probably choose. If I can, I want to study in native English speaker. It's maybe English. I mean in England or maybe in Australia or maybe in America probably. Yeah, that's what I want to. So what about? Thank you very much. So what about Hasna? I want to know
Hasna,
about you.
please tell us.
Yeah.
Of course, I have a plan to study abroad,
Yeah.
and so far, I just think that I will continue my study in Australia.
You
My,
want to?
my husband, inshallah.
Oh, inshallah. What about if we plan it together?
Okay.
Okay.
Double date. I think.
Okay, guys, can you find me a husband?
I think there are many boys. Oh, man, boys, it's waiting for you.
The main point, who finance independent.
Yeah.
Maybe finance
so
freedom.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Because it was known that Australia have an have a good education system that maybe it will help us to increase our career in the future.
Yes.
Amin. I hope your dream came true.
Amin.
Okay. Can we next?
So yeah.
Yeah, the last. This is the last. Okay.
Okay.
You can answer or not. It depends on you. Maybe one of you want to marry a foreigner or bule and live there. How? I want to know about that.
I'm sorry. I mean, you asked me that. Do I want to have a tourist husband
Yeah.
and then live there?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Plan.
Can I
don't know.
answer first?
Yeah. Okay. That's right.
Okay. At first, husband from outside country. I mean, from abroad.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I want. I mean, yeah. The main point is the guy, the boy is same religion as me, and then same frequency with me, and then they are not patriarchy. Because
okay.
that's
It's
the
important.
yeah,
Yes.
that's the important thing that maybe we can still live together and then being a harmony family,
yeah.
right? So it's important thing. And then do I want to live with him in a board?
Yeah.
So the answer is no. I want him to just live with me in Indonesia, but please bring me to travel around the world.
Yeah. For
that's
traveling. Just
Yes.
for traveling.
Yes.
Not live there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, what about you? Maybe, or Hasna, you wanna answer it?
I never have thought to marry with foreigner.
Yeah.
Maybe because
Your friend?
no, I think that you guys know my reason.
Oh,
What
she
reason?
has already have a guy from Indonesian.
Oh.
Don't you know?
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't know. I forget about it.
Okay. She has already have Indonesian guy in her
So
heart.
loyal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope your what's that? Your love,
My sweetheart.
your sweetheart, your sweetheart gonna be yours forever, sweetheart.
Amin.
And
I don't have a plan because there is no someone in my heart, guys. I think
can
yeah.
we just go to Australia and then find a guy from that?
Oh,
Or
maybe.
should we just go to Dubai to find him?
Yeah, I need Muslim man.
Yeah,
The main
Dubai.
point.
Dubai is a Muslim
Dubai
country.
or Turkish. Turkey. I like Turkey
Oh, you
exactly,
like
not
Turkey?
Dubai.
Turkey, okay, it's okay.
But I think it's no problem when he has a good face and handsome. Yeah, and rich man. Yeah.
Rich and handsome. The point from her.
Yeah. Okay, guys. It's so
It's really fun.
fun and amazing.
And she is really crazy.
She's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really nice to talk to you.
Secret.
So, it's the closing time, I guess.
Oh yeah. What time is it? Okay. Thank you very much for my best guest star for your plan, your experience, and your knowledge about English learning. Yeah, we can talk so far.
Yeah, so far.
Yeah, and because the time's up, and we must
Close
Yes.
this
close
season.
Yeah, and let's continue the next podcast. Yeah,
Okay.
chit chat. Okay.
Wait for the
Okay. Thank you guys for your full attention and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again in Chit Chat Chut. Chit Chat with Cuci.